Hi everyone, and this is very good morning. And of course, I'm Ajur Rahman. Once again, welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we'll be talking about the phonic sound. Phonic sounds of 26 alphabet from A to Z. Have you ever thought of what letter is? Think of it. What is it? I think a letter is nothing more than a picture. This one. This one. This is a picture. Okay. And the name of this picture is A. The name of this picture is A. Okay, but what is the sound of this picture? The sound of this picture is ah. 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 So, three things. Picture, name, and sound. Today, we'll be talking about the relation between picture and the sound. Because in speaking, the picture and the relation between the pictures and the sound is very much important. And the name doesn't fact. It's not important. It's not important. And that is the thing we are supposed to do. We are supposed to follow the relation between the picture and the sound. Okay. There are two ways to learn a language. The first one is encoding. You know what is encoding? Encoding is something you listen from your surrounding, from your environment. Okay. Then you take them into your brain. You take them as an input into your brain, and after blending them, you make sound, or you just write something. So the thing is, you listen from your environment, from your teacher, from your tutor, from your surrounding, or from anybody else. And after taking them into your brain, after blending them, you make sound, you write. This is encoding. Okay. And then the second way is decoding. Okay. So what is decoding? Decoding is something, picture. You are given the picture. You are given some pictures. Then you take them into your brain through your eyes. You take them into brain through your eyes, and then blending them, you make sound. You make sound or write. So this is what we are doing in the non-native speakers countries, non-English countries. We are seeing something. We are given some books, we are given some textbooks, we are given some grammatical books. And the teachers is suggesting us to follow the books. And we are seeing these books, we are following these books, and from ourselves, we are making sound from ourselves, and that's why our sound, our pronunciation differs. It's not being like the native speakers. So the problem is we are not following encoding. We are not listening the native speakers. We are making sound from the books that are written in the books. We are following them. Okay. So today I will be showing you, I will make sound of each and every alphabet from A to Z. Let's make it clear why encoding is important. There's a sentence in the screen. What are you doing? So in decoding system, we are supposed to pronounce the word what. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Because this is written in the screen. This is written in the textbook. What are you doing? But in encoding style, in encoding way, the sound is what are you doing? 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 Not ing, doing. What are you doing? Hey buddy, what are you doing, man? So this is not what are you doing? What are you doing? This is what are you doing? What are you doing? So I think it's very much clear now. Decoding is something you see through your eyes. Something written in your textbook, in your grammatical books. Encoding is you listen from the speaker, you listen from the native speaker, English speaking countries people, and then you make sound. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, man? So, another example, what encoding and decoding differs. Why these systems are different. Okay, so this word B-E-T-T-E-R, this is written B-E-T-T-E-R. This one is picture. Okay, and the sound, if you listen from the listen from the native speaker, it will be sound better. But if you follow the decoding system, that means you see the picture and make sound from yourself, then it sounds like better. So here is the difference between decoding and encoding. Another thing, this word B-O-Y-S, this is a picture. Okay, you say voice, boys. Look at my mouth. Boys. This one. Boys. This is the thing I am talking about. The last one. Vibration. There must be a vibration. Voice. This one. The first one was boys. Vibration in the ending. Boys. Boys. And this one, boys, you say boys, wrong. This one is voice. Vibration in the first, in the beginning. Voice, voice. So, if you knew the proper sound of this vowel or alphabet or consonant, then I think your pronunciation may be much more exact and native-like. Okay. So, to make your pronunciation much more better, first of all, for the beginner, first of all, you have to know the exact sound, not the picture, not the name. Do not think about the name of the alphabet. Listen about the sound of each and every alphabet. Okay, so the first one, this is a picture and name of this picture is A, but the sound A. This one, B, we say it B, the name of the picture is B, but the sound is B, 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 B. And this one, C, the name of the picture is C. Forget about the picture, forget about the name, the sound is K, K, K. This one, the picture, name of the picture is D, but the sound D, 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 D. Okay, and this one E, the name of the picture is E, A, A. No sound, no vibration in your mouth. Okay. This is the air coming out of your mouth. G, G, G. Do not forget, this is a picture and the name of the picture is G, but the sound is G, G, G. Okay. Ha, 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 ha. E, 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 E. J, 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 J. K, K, K. So, C and K, these two letter, these two alphabet sound same. Different letter, same sound. Okay? K, K. This one, L, L, and the name of the sound is, the name of the picture is L, but the sound is L, 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 L. And this one, This one, the name of the picture is N, but the sound is Okay, so the M and N similar, not same. M is N is Okay. O, O, O. And this one, this is a picture and name of this picture is Q, but the sound is, it's a different letter, and this sound is Qua, Qua, Qua. So Q is the name of the picture and Qua is the sound of this picture. Qua. R, 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 R. S, 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 S. Okay, okay. T, T, T. So this picture, the name of the picture is U, but the sound is ah, 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 ah. V, v, v. A little bit touch with your two lips. V, 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 v. This picture, W. The name of the picture is W, and the sound is oo, oo, oo. X. The name of the picture is X, and the sound is X, X, X. This one is Y, and the sound of this picture is E, 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 Z, and the Z is Z, Z, S and Z. These are same sound, but not same, similar, but the difference is S is unvoiced. That means no vibration. S, and Z is voiced sound. Z, Z, a vibration in your mouth. Z. So that's all for today, and see you in the next video with monotongue and diphthong.